Okay. Topic, logarithmic differentiation. So, kailan ba ginagamit ang logarithmic differentiation? This is usually done, so hindi ko naman sinasabing lagi. So, this is usually done kapag ito yung mga gamit when a variable is raised to a variable. Say for example, when x is raised to an x, when a variable is raised to a function, when a function is raised to a variable, or a function is raised to a function. So, usually, ginagamit yan kapag ganyan ang cases. Say, for example, I have here y is equal to x raised to x. Y is equal to sine x raised to x. Y is equal to x raised to arc tangent of x, or y is equal to sine x raised to cosine x. So, as you can see, meron ako ritong variable to a variable, function to a variable, variable to a function, and function to a function. So, if ganyan ang naging case, how are we going to deal with the derivative of those functions? So, ito na yung magiging example natin. So, ano yung, paano natin siya magagamit? So, let's try example number 1. So, gagamitin lang natin siya since from the word itself, logarithmic differentiation, so yung mga properties ng logarithms ang gagamitin natin. So, ano-ano ba yung mga usual na properties ng logarithm? Ang walang kamatayang ln AB is equal to ln A plus ln B. ln A over B is ln A minus ln B. So, remember, this is quotient, So, ano pa? So, A ln B is equal to ln B to the A. And, syempre, yung E raised to ln something is something. So, those are the basic logarithmic properties na ma-encounter natin sa logarithmic differentiation. So, example number 1 natin, how to we solve for y is equal to x raised to x. So, using logarithmic differentiation, solve y is equal to x raised to x. So, how are we going to solve for that? So, di ba, ang aim natin, wala tayong formula para sa variable raised to a variable. So, kaya nga nagagamit tayo ng logarithmic differentiation kasi yung properties ng logarithmic, kasi paulit-ulit ako, di ba? So, properties ng logarithmic ang gagamitin. So, from the properties of logarithm, so, kung titingnan natin itong principle na to, ln B raised to A, so the only way para yung exponent na yon ay bumaba is through this particular principle. So, notice yung exponent na A na yon napunta sa unahan. So, magiging ka-level na lang siya ng ln B. So, ln B. So, A ln B is equal to ln B raised to A. So, pwede siya maging exponent nun. So, ibig sabihin, kung maglalagay ako ng ln dito, matatanggal yung nasa taas na exponent. So, let us try If I'm going to take ln on both sides, kasi alam naman natin ang principle, di ba, kunyari, is 5 equal to 5? Children, say yes! Okay. So, if I'm going to put 5 is equal to ln 5, hindi na sila equal. Kasi may ln 5 ka na doon, ito 5 na lang. So, kung maglalagay ako ng ln dyan, equal na ba? Yes, they are equal. So, if you put ln on both sides, since parehas lang sila, y is equal to x raised to x. So, if I'm going to put ln y here, that is also similar to ln x raised to x. So, that's your aim, di ba? So, pagka ln x raised to x na, so using the principle that when ln A is raised to B, then that is equal to B ln of A. So, that B, which is the exponent here, ay mapupunta lang dun sa unahan. So, this gives you ln of y is equal to x ln x. So, now, pwede na tayong mag-differentiate. So, how are we going to differentiate? Ang gagamitin lang natin ng mga formula ay derivative ng product. Siyempre, product ito, So, this is u, this is v. So, that's a product of u and v. So, that's the product of u and v. That's u dv plus v du. So, since may ln, gagamit rin tayo ng principle na derivative of ln of u is du over u. So since we're looking for the value of the first derivative y prime, so all I need to do is to take the derivative of both sides. So that's derivative of u. So derivative of y over y. So that is equal to x times derivative of ln x. That's u times derivative of ln x plus ln x times the derivative of x. Ginamit natin yung product rule. So, dy over y. So, di ba, ang sabi natin noon, ang derivative ng y with respect to x is y prime. So, again, with respect to x ang pag-differentiate natin dito. So, derivative of y with respect to x is y prime. So, this gives you y prime over y is equal to x times the derivative of ln of x is derivative of x is 1 over x. That's du over u plus ln of x times derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So, but x divided by x is 1. So, this gives you y prime over y is equal to 1 plus ln of x. So, to solve for y prime, I need to cross multiply. So, pag cross multiply ko yan, ang y prime ko is y times the quantity 1 plus ln of x. But what is y? That's x raised to x as per first equation or the original equation. So, y is x raised to x. So, I can replace y with x raised to x. So, y prime there is x raised to x times the quantity 1 plus ln x or ln x plus 1. Lalang. So, that's our answer. As simple as that. Number 2. Diba, ang sabi natin, ang example number 2 natin is when y is equal to sine x raised to x. So, we have y is equal to sine x raised to x. So, if y is x raised to x, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. We just have to put ln on both sides. So, magiging ln y is equal to ln sine x raised to x. Kasi nga, that's the only way para yung exponent bumaba. So, magiging ln y is equal to x ln of sine x. So, magkakaroon na ulit tayo ng product rule. This is u, this is v. So, that's u dv plus v du. So, this is derivative of y ulit over y because derivative of ln y is du over u is equal to u times the derivative of u, that's derivative of ln of sine x plus ln of sine x times the derivative of x. So, this is y prime over y is equal to x times derivative ni ln sine is derivative ni sine x over cosine x. That's du over u. Ay, sorry. Du over u. Sorry. This is sine. Ang u kasi is sine x. So, derivative of sine x over sine x plus ln of sine x times the derivative of x, which is 1. So, your y prime over y here is x. Derivative of sine is cosine x over sine x plus ln sine x. But, syempre, ratio identity, cosine over sine is cotangent. So, y prime over y is equal to x cotangent x plus ln sine x. So, cross-multiplying, y prime is y times x cotangent x plus ln sine x. Or, what is y again? That is sine x raised to x. So, substituting y is sine x raised to x, gawin ko lang yung sine x raised to x. So, y prime is sine x raised to x times the quantity x cotangent of x plus ln of sine x wapak. Ay, sorry. Dapat pala bracket na close. Okay, so that therefore is our answer. That's example number 2. So, syempre, same approach lang ang gagawin natin pagka example number 3. That's y is equal to x arctangent of x. So, ang number 4 ay y is equal to sine x raised to cosine x. So, syempre, ang gagawin lamang ay iti-take ulit natin ang natural logarithm on both sides. So, ln y is equal to ln x raised to arctangent of x. So, si arctangent of x, saan pupunta? Kasi yun yung ln a raised to b is b ln a. So, that is ln y is equal to arctangent of x times ln of x. So, meron na ulit tayong u, meron na naman tayong v. So, u dv plus b du ulit. So, your y prime over y here, because the derivative of y is y prime over y. So, diretso ko na ha, kasi kanina pa ganon. So, this is arctangent of x times the derivative of ln of x plus ln of x times the derivative of arctangent of x. So, your y prime over y here is equal to arctangent of x. Derivative of ln of x is 1 over x plus ln of x times the derivative of arctangent of x, which is derivative of x over 1 plus x raised to the second power. So, simplifying that further, y prime over y is equal to, kasi di natin is x, tsaka 1, tsaka x squared. Ayan. X and 1 plus x squared. So, this divided by x is 1 plus x squared times arctangent of x is 1 plus x squared. Arctangent x plus this divided by your LCD is x times ln of x is x ln x. So, finally, y prime is equal to y times the quantity 1 plus x squared arctangent x plus x ln x. Cross multiply lang, ha? 1 plus x squared. But what is y? X raised to arctangent of x. So, y prime is x raised to arctangent x times the quantity 1 plus x squared arctangent of x plus x ln x all over x times 1 plus x squared. Or, pwede na to ha, as your final answer. Or pwede mo pa itong isimplify. Di ba may to the 1 yun? So, magiging y prime equals, di ba kapag when you are dividing of same base, you are subtracting exponent. So, magiging x raised to arctangent of x minus 1, di ba may 1 dun as exponent, times the quantity. Ang natira sa ilalim ay 1 plus x squared. 1 plus x squared arctangent x plus x ln x. Okay, that's our final answer. Pero pwede na rin ito sa akin. Ayusin na lang tong y sa dapat medyo nakababa lang. So, ganon. Ganyan. Prime yun ha, hindi siya double prime. Y prime is equal to. So, that's our final answer. O, last example. So, y is equal to sin x raised to cosine x. So, again, ang walang kamatayang ln on both sides. So, saan mapupunta si cosine? Dun sa unahan. So, ln y is cosine x, ln sin x. So, meron na naman tayong panibagong u and v. So, anong derivative ng ln y? Y prime over y equals cosine of x times derivative of sin x over sin x plus ln sin x times derivative of cosine of x. So, your y prime over y here is cosine x. Derivative ng sin is cosine x over sin x plus ln sin x times derivative is negative sin x. Derivative ni cosine is negative sin x. So, your y prime over y here is cosine x, cotangent x, minus sin x, ln sin x. Kasi ito, times yun is negative sin x times ln sin x. So, pwede natin siyang enclose like that. And then cross multiply. So, magiging y prime is y times the quantity cosine x, cotangent x, minus sine x times the quantity ln sine x. But y is sine x raised to cosine x. So, your y prime here is sine x raised to cosine x times the quantity cosine x, cotangent x, minus sine x times ln of sine x. That's our final answer. So, ganun lang. Or, nga pala, pwede natin pala siyang i-apply. Pwede natin siyang gawing alternate solution kapag say for example, you are looking for the derivative of a product. Say for example, I have here y is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by 2x plus 3. So, di ba, pagka derivative of a product, this is u, this is v. So, pwede natin gawing y prime is equal to x plus 2 times derivative ni 2x plus 3 plus 2x plus 3 times derivative ni x plus 2. So, ang mangyayari, y prime is equal to x plus 2 times derivative ni 2x plus 3 is 2 plus 2x plus 3 times derivative ni x plus 2 is 1. So, magiging y prime is equal to 2x plus 4 distributing that to 2x plus 4 plus 2x plus 3. So, y prime is 4x plus 7. So, pwede natin siyang gamitan ng logarithmic differentiation. So, para lang medyo mahirapan ng bahagya. So, pwede natin gamitin. This is just an alternate. Hindi ko naman ito ini-insist. So, pwede tayong gumamit ng ln y is equal to ln of x plus 2, 2x plus 3. So, ang mangyayari magiging ln y is equal to ln x plus 2 plus ln 2x plus 3. So, di ba meron tayong rule na ln a b is ln a plus ln b. So, ang mangyayari, ln y is equal to ln of this product which is equal to ln of sum of ln's. So, ln a plus ln of b. So, gagamitan lang natin siya ng ln. So, this is y prime over y equals 1 over x plus 2. Derivative ng x plus 2 is 1 over x plus 2 plus derivative nito, that is 2x plus 3 over derivative ng 2x plus 3, over 2x plus 3. Ano ba yan? So, gayahin ko na nga lang muna. So, magiging y prime is equal to y times the quantity 1 over x plus 2 plus 2 over 2x plus 3. So, but what is y? Ano yung value ng y? X plus 2, 2x plus 3. So, your y prime is x plus 2 times 2x plus 3, 1 over x plus 2 plus 2, 2x plus 3. So, pag distribute natin siyang ganyan, pag distribute, magkakancel yung x plus 2, magkakancel doon, magiging 2x plus 3 times 1. So, your y prime is 2x plus 3 plus 2 times x plus 2. Kasi, pag ito minultiply mo doon, yun naman 2x plus 3 magkakancel. Ang matitira, x plus 2 times 2. Ito yun. So, pagka sinimplify, y prime is 2x plus 3, 2x plus 4, which is the same as 4x plus 7. Siguro, hindi maa-appreciate kapag ganyan. Kasi, syempre, sino nga ba namang magsosolve ng ganito kahaba as compared with that? What if ang given ay ganito? (2x plus 3 raised to 3 halves times 2x minus 1 raised to 5 halves. O, di ba? So, gagamitin natin dyan ulit ay yung product rule or pwede tayong gumamit ng yung chain rule of differentiation. So, that's too long. Di ba gagamit ako rito ng u times b. So, gagamit ako ng u db plus b du. Pero ang u, may kakaroon ako ng u to the n. That's 5 halves 2x minus 1. That's so long. So, gagamit na lang ako instead ng logarithmic differentiation. So, I think para sa akin, ito yung mas madali. Suggested way ko lang naman to. So, again, I am not insisting, pero if you want to use that very long udb plus bdu, that's fine. So, this is just an alternate solution. So, ln y is equal to ln of 2x plus 3 raised to 3 halves times 2x minus 1 raised to 5 halves. Again, this is ln of a product, so that must be equal to the sum. So, this is ln y is equal to ln of 2x plus 3 raised to 3 halves plus ln of 2x minus 1 raised to 5 halves. O, anong rule ang gagamitin? So, di ba gumamit ako dyan ng ln ab is equal to ln a plus ln b. Tapos, gagamitin ko na lang yung ln a raised to b is b ln a. So, saan mapupunta yung 3 halves? Sa labas. Saan mapupunta yung 5 halves? Sa labas. O, di ba ako rin ang sumagot ng tanong ko. ln y is 3 over 2 ln of 2x plus 3 plus 5 over 2 ln of 2x minus 1. O, diba? Ang dali-dali na lang. So, magiging siyang ln y. Ay, pwede na pala akong mag-derivative. So, that's derivative of y over y is equal to 3 halves. Derivative ng 2x plus 3 over 2x plus 3 plus 5 over 2 derivative ng 2x minus 1 over 2x minus 1. Kasi, yan yung formula ng finding the derivative of an ln function. So, this is dy over y. That's 3 over 2. 2 over 2x plus 3 plus 5 over 2 2 over 2x minus 1. So, what happens to 2? Surprise, cancel. So, y prime over y is equal to 3 over 2x plus 3 plus 5 over 2x minus 1. So, multiply ko na lang siya both by y. So, to solve for the value of y prime. So, y prime is equal to y. So, kung gusto mong mag-LCD, okay lang. 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1, 3 2x minus 1, LCD lang. Plus 5, 2x plus 3. O, diba? So, simplifying that further. So, didistribute lang natin yon. So, magiging 6x minus 3. Ito ay magiging 10x plus 15. So, simplify natin. Wapak. So, ano mangyayari kay y prime? Y times the quantity. 6x plus 10x, 16x. That's negative 3 plus 15, 12. Negative 3 plus 15, that's 12. Over 2x plus 3, 2x minus 1. Oh, but what is y? Yung original given natin. Ito yung y, oh. So, your y prime now is equal to 2x plus 3 raised to 3 halves times 2x minus 1 raised to 5 halves multiplied by 16x plus 12 over 2x plus 3 2x minus 1. Tsaka mo ngayon ika-cancel. Bawasan mo ng tigisa kasi di ba ito to the 1. Tapos ito to the 1. Ay, sorry. Hindi na pala nakikita. Tada! So, di ba? Ito yung value ng y. Yun. Tapos 16x plus 12, ayun. Tapos ito pa rin siya. So, di ba pag to the 1, tapos pagka of same base, you are subtracting exponent. So, 3 halves minus 1 is 1 half. 5 halves minus 1, 3 halves na lang ang exponent nun. So, therefore, y prime is equal to 2x plus 3 raised to 1 half 2x minus 1 raised to 3 halves multiplied by 16x plus 12. Or, bida pa, pwede natin i-factor out yung 4. Y prime is 4. 2x plus 3 raised to 1 half. 2x minus 1 raised to 3 halves. 4x plus 3. Well, that's our answer. So I think that's easier way than solving using the chain rule of differentiation. Kasi 'di ba, ang trend ngayon kapag ka nakakita ng square root, ay nako, kapag ka nakakita ng fraction, skip. So I think this might help. So sana makatulong siya as an alternate solution in finding the derivative of this. Syempre same lang din 'yun kapag ka quotient. So magma-minus ka lang. Okay? So that's our lesson for today.